Hello and welcome to Popeye Hill. We have ornamental grasses throughout the yard. They are beautiful and really great for landscaping. However, when the season's over and the tops die back, they need to be cleaned up. And that's what this video is about. I'm going to show you what I do to get those dead tops taken care of and get ready for a new growing season. The first thing I'm going to do is go around the base of the plant. I'm going to check for yard decor and decorations that might have got tucked underneath there. My tool of choice is a battery-powered hedge trimmer. I'll start off by giving the ornamental grass a light haircut. Then some raking for a light cleanup, just to make sure I don't trip over anything. Now I come back to the grass, this time going deeper into the clump. What am I looking for here? It has something to do with an object that looks like this. My wife Marcy believes that every place has to have a decoration, so I have to watch out for that. Hedge clippers and metal rods don't play well together. Meanwhile, let's get back to clipping. And now it's time for a little cleanup again. You may have noticed that I'm doing repeated cuttings, cutting them off in shorter lengths. The reason for that is I use this dried grass as a mulch in the garden, both to go over the rows and the plants and the walkway. And now one last trim job. And one last cleanup with the rake. Next stop is to the back of the yard where I store the mulch that I use for the garden. That's it for this job. If you have any questions or comments, please let me know. Otherwise, thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. See you next time.